You know your own degrees. Sit down. At first and last, a hearty welcome.
Thanks, Your Majesty.
Myself will mingle with society and play the humble host. Here, I will sit in the midst. Anon, we will drink a toast, the table round.
How is this?
There's blood upon thy face.
'Tis Banquo's then.
'Tis better thee without than he within. Is he dispatched?
My lord, his throat is cut. That I did for him.
Thou art the best of the cutthroats. Yet he's as good that did the like for Fleance. If thou didst it, thou art non-pareil.
Most royal Sir Fleance is escaped.
But Banquo is safe.
Ah, my good lord. Safe in a ditch with 20 trenchant gashes on his head, the least a death to nature.
Thanks for that.
My royal lord, you do not give the cheer.
Oh, sweet remembrance, sir. Now, good digestion, wait on appetite, and health on both.
Please, Your Highness, grace us with your royal company.
May it please Your Highness. Sit.
The table's full.
Here is a place reserved, sir.
Where?
Here, my good lord. What is that moves, Your Highness?
Which of you have done this?
What, my good lord?
I can't say I did it.
Never shake thy gaudy locks at me!
Gentlemen, ladies, rise. His Highness is not well.
Sir, worthy friends, my lord is often thus, and hath been from his youth. Pray you, keep seat. He will again be well. If much you note him, you shall offend him and extend his passion. Feed and regard him not. Are you a man?
In a bold one that dare look on that which might appall the devil.
Oh, proper stuff. This is the very painting of your fear. This is the air-drawn dagger which you said led you to Duncan. Shame itself. Why do you make such faces? When all's done, you look but on a stool.
Thee see there, behold, look low! What say you? If thou canst nod, speak to! If charnel houses on our graves will send those that we bury back, our monuments shall be the moors of kites!
Quite a man in folly.
If I stood here, I saw him!
Fie for shame. My worthy lord, your noble friends do lack you.
I do forget. Do not muse at me, my most worthy friends. I have a strange infirmity which is nothing to those that know me. Come. Love and health to all, and to our dear friend Banquo, whom we miss. Would he were here. All and to all.
All our duties in the pledge.
Vaunt and quit my sight! Let the earth hide thee! Thy bones are marrowless, thy blood is cold. That has not speculation in the eyes that I desire with.
Think of this, good peers, but as a thing of custom, 'tis no other. Only it spoils the pleasure of the time.
What? Man, dare! I dare! Take any shape but that, and my firm nerves shall never tremble. Or be alive again. And dare me to the desert with thy sword, unreal mockery! Hence! Why? So, being gone, I am a man again. Pray sit still!
You have displaced the mirth, broke the good meeting, his most admired disorder.
Can such things be?
I pray you speak not. He grows worse and worse. Question enranges him. At once, good night. Stand not upon the order of your going, but go! At once!
Good night, and better health attend His Majesty.
A kind good night to all.
It will have blood, they say. Blood will have blood. Stones have been known to move and trees to speak. What is the night?
Almost at odds with morning, which is which.
How sayest thou? Macduff denies his person at our great bidding.
Did you send for him, sir?
I hear it by the way, but I will send. There's not one of them, but in his house I keep a servant paid. I am in blood. Stepped in so far that should I wade no more, returning were as tedious as go o'er. Strange things I have in the head that will to hand, that must be acted on, ere they be scanned.
You lack the season of all natures. Sleep.
My strange and self-abuse is the initiate fear that wants hard use. We are but young, indeed.